Hey everyone, welcome back to Nath Effects channel. Today I will show you how to make loop anime lo-fi animations. Everyone thinks this is difficult. Yes, or it's true. But now with AI, you can do it easily. We're diving into one of the hottest trends in digital art and content creation, lo-fi animations. These chill, nostalgic animations are taking over YouTube, TikTok, and Spotify visuals. And they're not just beautiful to look at. They're perfect for creators who want to go viral. But here's the cool part. You don't need to be a pro animator to make them. Thanks to AI tools and After Effects, anyone can create amazing loop anime, lo-fi animations. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make viral lo-fi animations using Leonardo AI, Photoshop, and Adobe After Effects. By the end, you'll know how to design unique custom anime lo-fi art and animate it as like a loop lo-fi animation. Don't skip the video until the end. Today I will tell you secrets tips that no one will tell you, so let's jump right in. How to design anime-style lo-fi art. First, we need to generate the lo-fi artwork. Now you can generate custom art with Leonardo AI. How to generate lo-fi art. Using Leonardo AI step-by-step. Step 1. Create a Leonardo AI account. Go to leonardo.ai website, click on Sign Up at the top right. You can sign up using your Google account or manually enter your email and password. Once you sign up, you'll need to verify your email, check your inbox, and click the link. Step 2. Log in and go to the AI image generation section. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the left side menu, click on Image Generation or AI Canvas. Make sure you are in the Image Generation tab. Step 3. Choose a model. At the top of the generation panel, you'll see a drop-down that says Select a model. Choose a model like Leonardo Creative Dream Shaper. Or for best anime style results, Lo-Fi Style, Anime Pastel Dream, or Cute Magic. You can also explore community models under the Fine-Tuned Models tab. Step 4. Write your prompt. In the prompt box, type a description of the image you want to create. Example prompt. Lo-fi anime girl sitting near a window at night, wearing headphones, cozy room, soft lighting, rainy atmosphere, detailed background, 2D illustration. You can leave the negative prompt field empty or add things like blurry, distorted, extra limbs, watermark, text. Step 5. Adjust the settings. Choose image dimensions. For YouTube videos, use 16:9 ratio, e.g. 1152 by 648 or 1280 by 720. Set guidance scale to around 7:10 for best detail. Leave other settings like prompt magic and alchemy enabled if available. Select how many images you want to generate. Start with 1 to 2. Step 6. Click Generate. Now click the Generate button. Wait a few seconds and your artwork will appear below. Click on any image to view, download, or upscale it. Step 7. Download your image. Click the Download icon or right-click and choose Save Image As. Save it to your computer, and now it's ready to be used in Photoshop and After Effects. If you are a Patreon subscriber, you can get a free Lo-Fi Animation Generate Pro prompt. We also ask you to become our subscriber through the description below. Let's see how to do it. This way, you don't have to generate new art. If you want to make a change to the art you first generated, you can just do that. Also, if you want, you can show another lo-fi style art and generate art in that style. Simply put, you can copy the art style. You will really like this feature. This AI tool allows you to create detailed, stylized lo-fi scenes using simple prompts. Start by thinking of a mood. Do you want a cozy indoor scene? A rainy city street? Maybe a lonely rooftop at night? Use keywords like anime girl sitting by the window, rainy night lo-fi style, soft lighting, cozy room, headphones. Once you have your prompt, enter it into leonardo.ai and let the model do the magic. Don't forget to tweak the settings for style, resolution, and lighting until you get a result you're happy with. Export your favorite image and let's move on to the next step. Now that we have our AI-generated lo-fi art, now it's time to start animating. Before you animate an art piece, you should remove any unnecessary elements and move the elements you want to animate to a new layer. You can do it as shown in this video. It may be difficult at first, but over time you will get used to it. There are many videos on our channel about art animation. Check them out too. Here's what we need to do. Remove any unwanted glitches or distorted areas. Separate parts of the image for animation, like hair, eyes, rain elements, etc. Create different layers for each animated object. Use the pen tool or lasso tool to cut out the elements. Clean up the edges using feathering or layer masks. Once your scene is layered properly, save it as a .psd file. Now we're ready to bring this scene to life in After Effects. All right, now that our artwork is ready, let's bring it into After Effects and start animating. First, let's import our PSD file. Go to the top menu, click on File, then choose Import and select File again. Now find our PSD file, and when the import options pop up, make sure to choose Composition, Retain Layer Sizes. This is super important because it keeps all your Photoshop layers separate so we can animate them individually. Once you click OK, After Effects will automatically create a new composition with all the layers inside. Double-click the new composition and you'll see your scene. Just like it looked in Photoshop, but now it's fully editable. I will teach you the most difficult things here. You can learn the simple things by watching the video. Now let's add some simple rain animation. We're going to create a subtle rain effect to give our animation that chill, lo-fi vibe. Start by creating a new solid layer. Go to Layer Greater Than New, Greater Than Solid. Name it something like Rain. And click OK. Next, go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for CC Rainfall. Drag and drop that effect onto the rain layer. Now, in the Effect Controls panel, you can customize your rain. Increase the drop size for a heavier look. Adjust the speed to control how fast the rain falls. You can even add a little wind to angle the rain for more realism. If your rain is blocking the artwork, change the blending mode of the layer to Screen. That way it blends in nicely with the background. Also, insert the rain layer only where needed as shown in the video. The video shows how to cut the rain layer. Just like that, you've added animated rain to your scene. This small detail really adds mood and atmosphere to your lo-fi art. Hair animation, using wave effect in After Effects. Now let's add some subtle motion to the hair, which really brings life into your lo-fi character. We'll use a simple built-in effect in After Effects called Wave Warp to animate the hair layer. First, in your composition, select the hair layer. Then go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Wave Warp. Drag and drop that effect onto the hair layer. In the Effect Controls panel, we can now adjust the settings. Adjust these as you wish. Wave type. Set this to Sine for a smooth, flowing motion. Wave height. Try something like 5 to 10. This controls how strong the wave is. Wave width. Set it around 100 to 200 depending on the length of the hair direction. Set this to 90 degrees to make the wave move vertically. Wave speed. Around 0.5 to 1.0 gives a chill, slow movement. You'll instantly see the hair start to gently sway, like it's moving in a breeze. If the wave is affecting too much of the hair or not flowing naturally, you can mask the effect. Just duplicate the hair layer, apply wave warp only to the top copy, and then mask the area where you want the wave to appear, like the hair tips. Pro tip, you can also pre-compose the hair layer before applying the effect to keep everything clean and avoid conflicts with other animations. There is also a script to make this easier. Watch my previous video to see how to use it. And that's it. Now the hair has this smooth, relaxing motion that's perfect for the lo-fi aesthetic. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to make viral lo-fi animations using AI and After Effects. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you understand the full process, from generating art to animating rain, hair, eyes, and background loops. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about animation and digital creativity, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future tutorials. And hey, if you need custom lo-fi animations or want help creating your own unique project, feel free to contact us. We offer professional animation services just for creators like you. All the links are in the description, including our Patreon, Fiverr, Gumroad, and more. Thanks again for watching, Spial, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay creative and keep animating.